Jutuocnc CNC. Standard Gantry Machining Center JNC-1814ZL. Dimensions: length 5.1 meters, width 3.5 meters, height 3.5 meters. Ultra-wide column and beam integrated design. Strong support rigidity. More stable operation. Optional 24T mechanical arm tool changer for automatic tool changes. Equipped with dual spiral chip removal function. Saves manual chip removal time. 1.8 by 1.2 meter large worktable. Meets processing needs across various industries. Optional FANUC, Mitsubishi, or Syntec control systems. Integrated machine head significantly enhances structural rigidity, effectively prevents the effects of resonance and thermal changes. Reinforces cutting rigidity.